In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account completely private, and this will be very easy to do, and it works on Android and iOS as well. For this video, I'm going to do this on an Android device, but it should be exactly the same on iOS. So you want to open your Instagram app, sign into your account, and then go to your own profile page by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next up, click on these three lines at the top right corner, and then click on settings right there. Now once you're here, you want to click on privacy, which is right there, and then you'll see connections and then account privacy. As you can see right there, as of right now it's public. You want to click on that, and then all you need to do is click right there and then click on OK. And there you go. You've now made your Instagram account completely private. That's exactly how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.